As temperatures began to soar in India, shares of power generation and distribution companies too gathered steam on the bourses. Over the past 2 months, shares of Reliance Infrastructure, Torrent Power, and Power Grid Corporation have surged up to 24% on the NSE. NTPC and Tata Power, meanwhile, have slipped up to 3%. By comparison, the Nifty 50 and Nifty 500 indices gained about 2% each. Analysts believe there is headroom for further gains for these stocks as power demand is set to hit record peaks this year.
Summer heat is only going to get worse in the coming weeks. And since economic activity continues to remain strong, power demand for commercial and industrial users will remain high. Therefore, power consumption will remain strong and robust going forward. This spurt in power demand augurs well for power companies. Fundamentally strong companies like NTPC and Tata Power should do well.
On April 18th, India's electricity demand touched a new high of 216 gigawatts. In just the first fortnight of April, energy demand has risen by 23% year-on-year, indicating a sharp rise in use of cooling equipment. According to industry estimates, power demand growth for financial year 2022-23 is expected to remain around 10%. For FY24, rating agency CRISIL says soaring temperature and resilient economic activity are expected to keep power demand growing. On average, the first quarter of the fiscal should see power demand grow 4% on year on a high base of the previous year. These developments, analysts say, augur well for stocks as they are yet to price in the likely positives.
Similarly, the Power Ministry has asked NTPC to operate all its gas-based power plants to full capacity to generate 5,000 megawatts of additional power during the summer season. The ministry has directed GAIL to arrange gas for the same. The recent decline in gas price is expected to improve the gross margins of NTPC, while the increase in PLF will improve the asset sweating and operating profitability of the company. Power transmission companies will not get any direct benefit from the peak power demand, as their revenues are based on fixed annuity model. However, power distribution companies such as Torrent Power, CESC, Adani Mumbai Electricity, etc. are expected to gain the benefits of the increasing power consumption.
Brokerage firm Emkay Global 2 has buy ratings on NTPC with target price of 200 rupees, NHPC with target of 51 rupees, CESC with target of 101 rupees, and Power Grid Corporation with target of 250 rupees. Overall, outlook for the sector remains bullish as power demand will surge in the next 6 to 7 months, driving further gain. Besides, the regulatory support for companies provides a smooth runway to growth, boosting earnings per share outlook over FY23, FY25. On Wednesday, Q4 results of Bajaj Finance, HDFC Life, Maruti Suzuki, and SBI Life will be tracked by investors.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.